guys, welcome to another video. Today we were playing Build a Boat. And this time, this video will actually have editing and a thumbnail. See, I'm such a good person and a good content creator. Please subscribe. Alright, we gotta build a boat. Gotta build a boat. How do you build one? How do I build a boat? Oh, okay. So how do you do it? The heck? My camera is like. So you got this, this, this. Oh, how do I? Oh, it's delete block. Play this. Now there. Slapped it on. Who's that? Who the hell small fry? More like your wiener small. Where'd he go? What the hell? What is he doing in my damn house? Get away. Sheesh. I don't know what that mail problem was. Okay. What is this? Oh, this is like one of those things. Oh, and then this is a seat. There. Okay. Oh, I have 10 gold. I want to go buy 2 chests. Go. Alright. So gotta get rid of this because I'm actually trying to make it look good. And I think I gotta. Come on, let me. Good. Then I don't know, but I'm gonna put the window right here. What if? Oh, what if I? Can you get the? What the? What's this guy's problem? Is that everything? Yeah, that's everything. All right, let's go. We got this. I can make it past green. Let's go. Fast. Am I going the wrong way? No, I'm not going the wrong. I'm going the wrong way. I keep. Damn it. Let's go. Super Saiyan. Gotta go fast. I gotta go fast. Super Saiyan. Gotta go fast. Super Saiyan. Gotta go fast. Please, guys, subscribe. I really just want to be famous. And just subscribe. I don't want to be a YouTuber. Subscribe, okay? Really, just subscribe. Oh, I almost, like... Oh, okay. Come on. Oh, slow down. Well, okay. Let's do this. Let's hurry up with this. Make sure nothing happens. Make sure I don't crash my car because I got a suspended driver license. Oh, and I got no car insurance. Oh, what the fuck? No. Why did I jump? I should have saved it. Damn. Oh, what's this? Okay, let's see. I'm gonna open up. Dun, dun, dun. Let's go. That's pretty good. Now let's open one of these. Alright, let's do this. Alright, let's go. Let's build. I got an idea. I got it. Come on. Let's go. Yeah, no. Right here. Then I accidentally put it the wrong way. Now let's hit it like that. Alright, let's go. Boop. Boop. To make sure I don't get massive killed. Alright, let's do this. Let's launch our boat, baby. What the why am I No. Oh no. No. I just wasted all this for no. It's probably because of the damn pole. Why does I have to put the damn pole? How the hell do I make? Oh my gosh. It's now different directions. Oh my wait. I'm smart. Oh my gosh. Look, I'm like going the same way. I don't know how I did this, but it's working, I guess. Let's go. What the Come on. What the Come on. Stop. I'm stuck. Come on. What the Yo, come on. I just saved myself right. No. No, the thing really got. No. Ah! Damn it. And it got flipped back over? What the Yo. Okay, let's buy more stuff. Alright, let's go. Alright, now let's get this thing started. This time I know what to put. Okay. My camera needs to stop damn freezing. Okay, I have 2 left for wood. I think that's good defense. Good defense, baby. Okay, so come on. Let's go. Okay, this is getting good so far. What if it like falls over? That's the question I'm asking. What if it? Sometime Alright, let's go. Make sure our thing doesn't collapse, because I really don't want to collapse like it did last time. Alright, it'll be the sacrification. Yoo-hoo! Alright, now let's put now let's put the thing. This video will probably not have anything. Put it and then let's go. Put it right there. There. I'm like, damn, it's so secure. Nobody like can get it. Look how secure it is. Okay, I'm gonna save this to my I'm gonna name it okay. Let's launch it. Let's go. Faster! Oh, wrong way. No, it's not wrong way. Let's go, we got it. Let's go. Fast, we gotta go fast, we're going fast. We're going fast. I got some protection. Make sure nobody. Oh, shoot. Ah, freak, what the? Oh, calm down. Oh no, actually itching. I'm itching my hair. No. I almost like died. Oh crap! No. I can't hurt. Damn. If I hurt the damn mono, that means I can't like move the damn boat. So that's why I put it there back. Alright. Let's go. Don't flip over. Oh, fish. Shoot. Come on. Let's go. Coming. Come on. What the oh my gosh. I just do a backflip. That actually might. Oh, come on. Come on. Stop. I have a suspended driving license. I keep telling you. If I crash my car, I got no like boat insurance in my car. See, that's the thing I like about this boat. It always like okay. You can stop now. Come on. We're gonna be best buddies. Come on. What the? My motor! Oh my damn motor. The thing's dying. Come on. Uh-oh. I hope to... Did I survive? Oh my gosh. Survive. Come on. Come. No! But it's weird that I like actually got into Uh, shoot, I just need 5. Okay, I'm gonna put that one. Load. Let's go. Loaded. It's loaded. Alright. Launch and loaded. Why'd I have to be so far? Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. Ugh. Sorry for making you guys wait. You could probably just exit this video. And don't get me views. Please, guys, subscribe. I'm telling you. Hold up. I keep telling you, I don't have car insurance. No, you could tell that it has boat insurance. And I don't have life insurance too. Stop! I'm not even moving the damn thing. How the oh, I hate it. I hate it when it flips over. Yeah. Come on. Oh, yeah. Yeah, block that. Block that. Ooh. Yo, let's go. Come on. Yeah. What the oh, crap. No, the chest. My chest. Wait, that sounds weird. Oh, I could win. Oh, crap. But these controls are killing me. So, bottom is left. And then is right. One. At least I got more than that. Oh, I got 64. Now let's open this barrel. Let's open it. Come on. We got it. Oh my. That's a lot. Now let's buy 15 gold. Alright, we got this. New boat. My new boat idea. Should work. There. Just now put that in the damn middle. Now put my super chair right there. That's all it is. Okay. Alright, go right there. Oh crap. Come on, I got this. Just in case if I flip over. What if I flip over on this? Yeah, I'm not risking it. Where you are in the same magical wonderland of tactical, because I don't know where you are. So don't be afraid, because I know this would sound magical. You know this is tactical. Cause don't leave me alone. Cause I don't wanna die alone. I don't know where I'm far from. No. Let me place this. Alright, I got it. Okay, I definitely got this. It's weird, where am I supposed to sit? Oh, question. I got a question. Where am I supposed to? Okay. I'm trying to make this most detailed thing ever. They don't have it. Oh, they have a trapdoor. Oh my gosh, I'm a genius. Call me that if you want. Or you have to, because you know I'm a genius. I'm a genius. Yeah, this is way too much like. Let's hope we went with this one. Alright. Let's make sure. Let's go. So I'm definitely just placing random junk. You can do whatever you want. I don't care. Wait, of course you gotta know. This seems good. Alright. I really got into the details. I'm gonna save this because this took a damn a lot. So please just what's up? I'm a rapper. About now. Oh my gosh, I still have one more. Yeah. I should probably waste it because I'm gonna waste it right here. Just in case it looks 0, 0. There could be a Supreme right here. I'll call this the ultimate. And you probably wonder about this. I'll just use it as protection. Alright. Let's save this. Save. Let's go. Save. This is double JS. Yes. What the No. Oh my god. I would have died if I would have had this. Now I can save it. Alright, let's go. Stop. Good. Alright. Bing. Oh. That just hit me right. This is the best damn defense ever. The chest stayed on. How about just go to a people? Yeah, he won't survive. I got this. Motor engine, motor boys. Let's go. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Push it. Let's push it. Come on. Push it. You're my defense. Damn it. No, damn it. I don't got life insurance. No! Come on, let's go. Yeah, I can pass the first one. Ah, shoot. Alright, wait, after this, let's see who will get the farther. This or another one. Because later, when I'm done with this, or when I'm done with it, I'm gonna just put one singular strong block. And I'll see if it could hold me or not. Ah, what the heck is this? No, I do not want to get paint. Yo, don't paint my thing. I want it to be the normal color. I want my boat to be big, like queso. Look, it just, why did you nudge me into the floor? Like, stop, man. Like, what the, I'm not even control. I can't even, like, oh my gosh. Like, stop, damn. What the, stop, what the, why am I like, no, finally, oh, I'm dead. Alright, I'm thin, let's go. I'm thin. I might die when I'm, like, go one single block. Ah, shh. Come on, it's just one. Good. No, come on, just spam flip. What the heck is that? No. Shoot. Crap. At least I, like, got it through. Let's see. Oh, can I buy one? Okay, that's the end of this video, guys. I've been recording for 27 minutes.